Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice algebra problem, that is x plus y is equal to 24 and x times y is equal to 48. So here we have to find the value of x and y. Let's start our solution. First of all, it is our equation 1 and it is our equation number 2. Now from equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 24. So if we shift this x to our right hand side, then y will be 24 minus x. Let's say it is our equation 3. Now putting this value of y in equation 2, then equation 2 implies that here x times y is equal to 48. Now putting the value of y, which is 24 minus x. Now x times 24 minus x is equal to 48. So multiplying this x into parentheses, we have 24 times x minus x times x is x squared. Shifting this one, we have minus 48. That is equal to 0. Now by rearranging, here we have minus x squared plus 24x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now multiplying with minus y on both sides. So here we will get minus times minus is plus x squared. It will be minus 24x and plus 48 is equal to 0. Now it is a nice quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to 48. Using quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Putting the values of a, b and c, so x is equal to minus, the value of b is minus 24 plus minus square root of b squared, which is minus 24 whole squared, minus 4 times a is 1, c is 48 all over 2 times a is 1. Next, x is equal to minus times minus is plus 24 plus minus square root of, here minus 24 squared is equal to 576 and minus 48 times 4 is 192 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Now here x is equal to 24 plus minus 576 minus 192, we have 384 square root all over 2. So here 384, if we find the prime factors here, so 324 is actually here, it will be that if we just divide by 2, so then we will get 192, and similarly dividing by 2, then we have here 96. So again, if we just divide by 2, then we get 48. Here we have 2 4s are 8, so we get 48. And similarly again, dividing by 2 we get 24, and then dividing by 2 we get 12, and then dividing by 2 we get 6, and then dividing by 2 we have 3. Now here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 twos, so we can write here that is it is equal to 24 plus minus square root of 2 to the power 6 times 2 times 3 all over 2. Now our next step will be, so x is equal to 24 plus minus, here we can write 2 to the power 6 times 3 times 2 is 6 whole square root all over 2. So next we have 24 plus minus, we can write 2 to the power 6 whole square root times square root of 6 all over 2. Here x is equal to 24 plus minus 2 to the power 6 whole square root is equal to 2 to the power 3 times square root of 6 all over 2. So it is equal to 24 plus minus 2 cubed is 8 times square root of 6 all over 2. Now here if we just take 2 is common, so it will be x is equal to, taking 2 is common, then inside bracket we will get 12 plus minus 4 times square root of 6 all over 2. So this 2 is cancelled out with 2. We get the values of x, which is 12 plus minus 4 times square root of 6. Now here we have our first value of x, which is x1 is 12 plus 4 times square root of 6. And similarly here we have x2 is equal to 12 minus 4 times square root of 6. Now here if we just recall our equation, that recall equation 3, which is y is equal to 24 minus x. Y is equal to 24 minus x. Here we have our equation 3. So if you put the values of x in this equation, so for x1 here it is x1, it will be y1. So y1 is equal to 24 minus the value of x1 is 12 plus 4 times square root of 6. So y1 will be 24 minus 12 plus minus 4 times square root of 6. So here we have y1 is equal to 12 minus 4 times square root of 6. Now we have x1 is equal to 12 plus 4 times square root of 6, and y1 is equal to 12 minus 4 times square root of 6. So here we get our first pair of values for x and y. Let's say it is x1 and y1, that is equal to x1 is, that is 12 plus 4 times square root of 6, and y is 12 minus 4 times square root of 6. So now using the same equation, that is equation 3, for this x value of x2, then it will be y2 is equal to 24 minus x2. Now y2 is equal to 24 minus 12 minus, putting the value of x2, 4 times square root of 6. So here we have y2 is equal to 24 minus 12, minus time minus is plus, 4 times square root of 6. So we get y2 is equal to 24 minus 12 is 12 plus 4 times square root of 6. So here we get again two values of x and y. So here x2 and y2 is equal to, here x is 12 minus 4 times square root of 6 and y is 12 plus 4 times square root of 6. So these are our two pair of values. Now if we check any pair of value for this problem, so let's check our problem. We have two equations as x plus y is equal to 24 and x times y is equal to 48. Now putting the value of x and y in this equation, we have 12 plus 4 times square root of 6 and 12 minus 4 times square root of 6. Is it equal to 24? Now plus and minus is cancelled. We get 12 plus 12 is 24 is equal to 24. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence we prove that our first pair of values for equation 1 is valid. Now, putting the same values of x and y in this second equation. So here we have 12 minus 4 times square root of 6 times 12 plus 4 times square root of 6. Is it equal to 48? Now, here we see that it is a minus b and a plus b, which is equal to a squared minus b squared. So 12 squared minus 4 times square root of 6 whole squared, is it equal to 48? Here we have 12 square is equal to 144, and minus it can be written as 4 squared times this square root is cancelled out with this one, we will get 6. Is it equal to 48? Now 144 minus 4 squared is 16 times 6. So here 16 times 6 is equal to 96. Is it equal to 48? 144 minus 96, we will get 48, is equal to 48. So again our left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means that thus these values of x and 2 that our pair of values for x and y is also valid for equation 2. So finally it is our answer x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. We get two pairs of values, which is our final answer. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.